Honda Click 150i. Oh, stock niya na ilaw. Nagkabit tayo naman yung driving light. Okay, low. High ng stock. Low. Okay, mini driving light on. Low. Yun, wide yan. M1A plus yan. Okay, high. Power. Low. Okay, ganda diba? Sa pagpwesto lang yan. Kaya ang lapad. M1A plus lang yan. 60 watts. Package natin 3,400. Honda Click. Ayos. Ganyan pagkapos natin. Stainless bracket yan. Stainless bracket yan sa likod. Tapos distance check. Yan. Diba? Bila. Distance check tayo. Okay. Hindi ito matama. Malayong malayo. Yun. Low. Yan. Ganyan pagka low. High. Dual na. May yelong kasama. Okay. Very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Low.